Hi, my name is Mike Radin. I'm a technical sales engineer at Cavallo. In this video, I'm going to be discussing SalesPad Mobile, a powerful application that's supported on both iOS and Android devices. There are a lot of different use cases for SalesPad Mobile, but a few that might stick out are traveling salespeople. Do your sales team interact with customers on the road and need access to be able to build quotes, orders, view inventory lookup? If so, SalesPad Mobile could be a powerful tool for you and your team. With SalesPad Mobile, you can also maintain CRM activities such as prospect and opportunity management. And last but not least, if you are using our dispatch module, SalesPad Mobile can be a powerful tool to let you know when a driver's checked in and when they have checked out of a delivery, and allow that driver to take payment and signature collection from your customers. I'm pulling up SalesPad Mobile on my phone now. You can see there's several different modules that you can interact with. This is configurable through security, so someone who's doing dispatch deliveries might not have access to opportunities, prospects, and sales documents, but might only have access to the customers and dispatch modules. For the purpose of this video, I want to focus on a salesperson and their interaction with SalesPad Mobile. Through contacts, you'd be able to search for a contact's name. Maybe I know I want to speak with Lisa. If I go ahead and do a search, I found just this one Lisa customer here. I can go ahead and click into that contact and it gives me options. I can go view more information about that contact, edit it, or I can send an email directly from my phone or give this contact a call. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel and go back. What I want to focus on is actually meeting with a customer and potentially creating a quote or order for that customer. So I'm going to go ahead and open the customer module and I'm going to search for a customer of mine that is Aaron Fitz. I'm just going to type in Aaron, hit enter. And now I can see this customer has popped up. I can go ahead and open this customer card and I'll be able to see a lot of different information that pertains to this customer. I can see the bill to and ship to addresses, different properties such as customer class, price levels, and payment terms. And then you can see at the bottom I have the ability to create a contact for this customer or create a sales document. I can create an order, quote, invoice, or return. I can navigate to the bottom too and see CRM. So you can see this note that I've created for this customer on 6/17 is still saved here. I could click docs and see the different docs that pertain to this customer, whether open or historical. I could go and find a previous document if they wanted to generate a return or reorder the same thing. Also find that on the history tab as well. So this is where I will see those historical invoices and those documents that have been archived and closed. If I hit the ellipses, you'll also see there's sections to do UDFs, interactions. I can see items this customer has ordered, view notes, view AR information, etc. I'm going to go back to the main customer card and I'm going to go ahead and create a quote. When I create a quote, if I have multiple sales doc IDs set up for quotes, I'll see those here. You might only have one, but I have several for demoing purposes. I'm going to go ahead and click the QTE quote type. This will automatically pull in the base information from your customer. If you have a customer PO number, you could enter that here. Otherwise, this data is probably mostly fine if this customer orders quite frequently and does not change their information often. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. That's going to generate that quote for me. So I can see now quote 31 has been created. I can see all of the information for that customer. And now I have the ability to add items, add multiple items, etc. I'm going to go ahead and do Quick Pick, which is a really neat feature in SalesPad that allows you to build a graphic view where you can actually see some of the products and interact with different categories. So here I have two simple categories, soap and iPhones. I'm going to go ahead and click iPhones. And now you can see that there's two different options here, the iPhone 128 gigabyte and the iPhone 256 gigabyte. You could use different pictures here, or you could even have a further level to navigate between here and Quick Pick. So I could click into different versions of iPhones in this screen and then get down to the different gigabyte versions. I only have two levels in my Quick Pick setup. I'm going to go ahead and choose the 256 gigabyte iPhone and add two of them. So I can click Add Items at the top. Now I can see down at the bottom of the screen here, there's been two each at $1,099, and I can see that total. Now if I go ahead and hit save, this quote will actually be generated. And I'd be able to see this back in SalesPad Desktop now. Now there's a lot of other things you can do to continue processing this quote. I could go ahead and give my salesperson the ability to forward this quote under actions. I could have a customer sign document while I'm with them to say they accept this quote, and I can, at the bottom, transfer to an order. So let's say this quote's all good. I'm going to go ahead and transfer to an order. Are you sure you want to transfer quote 31? Yes, I am. So this has actually gone ahead and created an order now. It's automatically saved. And now let's just say I was in the delivery phase, or this was something that the salesperson had on hand that they could deliver. I could now go into menu, do enter amount, and actually collect payment. If you do have our Notice Pay Fabric connector, you actually have the ability to do a charge and have that payment set up through Pay Fabric. So see, this card was already saved to the wallet for this customer, so I don't have to type anything in and I can collect payment right now. So I'm going to go ahead and process transaction. The transaction has been approved. This order has been successfully paid. Now, upon handing over the product to the customer, I'm actually going to go ahead and have them sign the document. So you'll see here, it's a touchscreen ability, so if you're using a tablet or phone, I can actually have, Bob Fitz sign that and go ahead and hit save, and that'll be saved back in SalesPad Desktop as well. Hopefully you found this video helpful.